In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a website to Whitelist on Safari web browser on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings, then tap at Screen Time. Then scroll down until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Get into it. First off, make sure that the option Content and Privacy Restrictions is toggled on, and after that tap at Content Restrictions. If you have already set screen time passcode, on this step you need to enter it to get access to Content Restrictions part of the settings. And then, once we are at Content Restrictions, all we have to do is just tap at Web Content and then select Allowed Website. On this page, there are already some websites added to Whitelist here by default. However, we can add another sites to that list. To do that, we need to tap at Add Website. First off, we can enter a title for the website, and also down below we are able to enter a URL. To save the changes, just tap at Done and the website will be added to that list. You can easily add another website by doing the same steps, so keep doing the same steps again and again to add multiple websites to the whitelist. To remove a website from whitelist, we need to swipe to the left and then tap at Delete. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.